It is going to be a single value that's going to represent the entire set of distribution. Correct? याद है आपको एक ही वैल्यू निकाला था आपने सारे वैल्यूज को ऐड करके डिवाइड बाय द नंबर ऑफ वैल्यूज और द मिडिल मोस्ट वैल्यू और द आई मीन क्वार्टर वैल्यू एक्सेट्रा. करेक्ट? Class, are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
So that was called as measures of central. Achha, I have not shared the screen. Measures of central tendency. Now, in a set of data, how much each value deviates? हर एक value उसके ऊपर तो नहीं गिर सकता है. If I say mean is 5, all the values cannot fall on the value 5. बराबर? So everything has इधर उधर जाते रहेंगे. So how dispersed are they is called as your dispersion. On an average, how dispersed are they is called again as dispersion. Are you following? Class, are you following? Any doubts?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts? Any doubts? So now when I say dispersion, there are different measures of
No,
dispersion.
ma'am.
Yes,
No, ma'am.
yes. Okay. So what are the desired qualities of a dispersion? Good dispersion measure किसको बोलते हैं? It's a measure because it is quantified. So good dispersion measure उसको बोलते हैं जब when I say like it has to be rigidly defined. मतलब इधर उधर का वैल्यू नहीं रह सकता है. You have to properly have a value. Then I would say it has to be based on all the observations. हर एक observation के ऊपर रहना चाहिए. And then we say it has to be based on, I mean, it has to be easy to calculate and easy to understand. समझ में आ रहा है? It should be easy to calculate and it should be easy to understand. It should be capable of further algebraic treatment and should not be affected by any sampling fluctuations. समझ में आ रहा है? मतलब कुछ एक हाथ दूसरा हो सकता है sample लेते time, so it should not be affected by that. Easy to calculate, easy to understand first of all, and then you should understand how did I arrive at this value, right? Class, are you following? Are you following all of
Yes.
you?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
then also that it should be, again, when I say based on all the observation, as I told you, that is all. So in case a dispersion qualifies for all these, and then we say that it is a measure of, it is actually a good dispersion measure. समझ में आ रहा है? Class?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is about a good dispersion. Now coming to the dispersions, we will learn 4 measures of dispersion, starting with range, quartile deviation, mean deviation, and standard deviation. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
so range जो है h minus l, which is 19 minus 2, 17. Coefficient of range है 0.81. I mean rounded off. 19 minus 2 divided by 19 plus 2. यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है? Highest value minus lowest value divided by highest value plus lowest value. मिला आपको?
मैम नहीं समझ में आया. 0.8095 कैसे आया?
अभी coefficient of range is defined by सबसे highest 19 है, बराबर? सबसे lowest 2 है. मैं चाहिए तो highlight करती हूँ कलर से. सबसे lowest value, okay? The observation. So I say 19 minus 2, बराबर?
Yes, ma'am.
फिर कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ रेंज और एक मैंने सिखाया. कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ रेंज क्या है? 19 minus 2 divided by 19 plus 2, which is 70 divided by 21, which is 0.81.
Okay, ma'am.
Understood, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm happy when you ask me doubts, when you ask me to explain again. Okay? So don't be shy and don't stay away from asking doubts. You will never learn if you don't ask doubts, if you don't ask me to explain again if you have not understood. Now, I will ask you to do a problem. Is that okay? I will share the textbook screen. And one more thing, quartile deviation is equal to Q3 minus Q1 by 2. Okay. Next, coefficient of QD is equal to Q3 minus Q1 by 2. Take minutes. I'll just change this. Okay, Q3 plus Q1 by 2. समझ में आ रहा है आपको? मैंने दो चीज यहाँ पे भी बोला है, quartile deviation and coefficient of quartile deviation. ठीक है? So now let's see how do we calculate. यहाँ पे ही करती हूँ बाजू में x f. Supposing I say 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 5, 7, 11, 9, 16, 1, 2, 7. Okay. Now CF. पहला क्या कर रहे थे मीडियन वगैरह में, पहले हमने क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी वेरी गुड CF कैलकुलेट किया था, याद है? सेम वे CF कैलकुलेट किया. CF is going to be 5. आपको पता है ना, so I'm auto filling. You know how to calculate CF, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So I
ma'am.
auto fill this. Now what will I do? Q1 is equal to quartile, or I'll say small q1 is equal to n by 4. What is n here? What is n? Total
Number of observation.
right is equal to 82. समझ में आ रहा है? ये सब ऐड किया तो भी आपको 82 आएगा. Equal to 82 by 4. That comes to 20.5. CF कॉलम में 20.5 है क्या मेरा? कहीं दिख रहा है?
No, ma'am.
तो immediately next कौन सा है? 23.
Next highest number.
23.
Perfect. 23. So I will highlight this. I will call it as my Q1. But what is actually the Q1? The X value pertaining. Q1 is equal to X value corresponding to that, which is 4. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Plus
Yes, ma'am.
Q3 is equal to directly 20.5 नहीं लेने का. समझ में आ रहा है? You need to identify. It only shows you where your Q1 is. 3 into n by 4, which is equal to, I will say, equal to 3 into 82 by 4. That comes to 61.5. Do I have a 6? ये highlight करती हूँ, bold कर देती हूँ, this is a given problem. So is there a 61.5 in our cumulative frequency column?
No, ma'am.
So I will take 70. Okay? That is going to be Q3. Where I say Q3 is equal to 7. समझ में आ रहा है? X value.
Yes, ma'am.
So let me calculate my QD. Very good. All of you are able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
7 minus, sorry, I said Q3 minus Q1, which is equal to 7 minus 4 minus 4. ठीक है? Same way, coefficient of Q1. अब बेटा कुछ
अपॉन 2 भी आएगा ना
बाची grammar say equal to, I will say 7 minus 4 divided by 7 plus 4 equal to 7 minus 4 which is 3. ठीक है? समझ में आ रहा है?
Ma'am, upon 2.
मैम क्यूडी में अपॉन 2
Sorry. You're right. बराबर. Okay, you're right. 7 minus 4 by 2. Okay. This is equal to 3 by 2. 1 point. You're right. Understood. 7 minus 4. 2. I'll put it in the bracket. I'll enclose it in bracket.
मैम कोएफिशिएंट में दोनों साइड 2 है तो वो कट नहीं होगा
कट होता है बेटा, कट होता है, कट होता है. Yes, you're right. 7 minus 4 by 7 plus 4 ही ultimately बचता है. But I'm not doing it here क्योंकि supposing आप फॉर्मूला बराबर याद नहीं रखेंगे then there will be a lot of confusion. ठीक है? You are right. ये दोनों कट हो जाएगा. It will be ultimately 7 minus 4 by 7 plus 4. Okay? So I'll say 1.5 divided by say 5.5. आप देखो 11.2 आपको 5.5 आएगा. ठीक है? Equal to this by this. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes,
Class,
ma'am.
all of you,
Yes, ma'am.
any doubts? Any
No,
doubts?
ma'am.
नो मैम
So can I actually pass on?
Yes,
मैम
बताओ बेटा.
मैम वो जो QD है फॉर्मूला है Q3 माइनस Q1 by 2 वो हम लोग
I'll give you one problem. Okay.
मैम
Yes, please.
हम लोग एग्जाम में कैलकुलेटर यूज